Back to Shoe Talk, y'all. It's the Maverick, and today, I have something good for y'all today.
Messages on red, I release you in fed. Get stole on me dead. Put these racks on your head. Crack them open, he a egg. I'm really with the yeah. I really be living. I come from the trenches. I do what it takes to survive. I really be stepping. I put on designer. I swear I believe I can fly. I'm deep in my bag. You deep in your feelings. The bitch you ain't killing my vibe. I'm deep in my bag. You deep in your feelings. The bitch you ain't killing my vibe. Why me do my money dance? Why me do my money dance? Why me do my
The Blueberry 12s. Super early. I do want to address some things because a lot of y'all been saying reps, and y'all swear that y'all just the certified shoe head that know everything. Y'all should go work for Gold or something instead of being up under the comments. But this is the box that y'all claimed is the box. This is the box. The last video, the Baron 12s, make sure y'all check that out. I still have a pair right here. Click it up in the video. This is what I was reviewing, and this is a grade school shoe. So if I show a grade school box, then I have a grade school shoe. Okay. All right. But yeah, this is the box for the 12s. Yeah. I also will be reviewing the Orchid 4s. So be sure to check that out. But let's just go over the shoe. Like I said, this is the box for the men pair, the men box. Size tag reads white, black, and game royal. As you can see, we got white leather and we have the game royal blue leather as well. It's just like a different print. Got some detail on the tongue and some detail on the back. And this is what the bottom looks like. Real nice. I really like these. I'm excited. I do like the silver eyelets on it. I think that's a nice subtle touch. You know. Like I said, this is a men pair. They are supposedly coming out in full family sizing, but you know, it is pretty early. They are coming out December 18th. So, you know, if they get in full family, I'm definitely copping. I think this is a really nice shoe. This is the first time that it's dropping in 2024. They did have a Jordan 12, the French Blue 12s, but it's nothing like this. I definitely think this is top tier shoe. Not the best shoe of 2024, but definitely top tier. I do have a Cherry 12 pair. I kind of wanted to do a little compare and contrast. You know, let me know which one y'all would go for in the comments. But I'm a blue type of girl, so I don't know. I probably would put blue over the Cherry 12, but I do really like the Cherry 12 as well. This is a grade school pair, so obviously it's going to look a little different from the men, as you can see with the space on the tag. And then it's the bottom. So yeah, it's pretty much the same shoe as the Cherry 12. It just have that game royal color instead of the cherry color. This blue definitely looks like, what is it called? The racer blue on a lot of the shoes that Jordan already has. That's kind of what this color looks like. And I really like this blue. Yeah, this shoe is definitely it. I think everybody and their mama gonna get this shoe. Great school shoe, great shoe to style, great shoe to wear. This could easily be like a beater. You can wear this all the time. But I really like the shoe. Like I said, December 18th, they're coming out. These are super, super early. We're still in September, so we got a chance to get these. A lot of y'all might say it's reps, but we got them and you don't. So, yeah, December 18th, full family sizing. Be sure to check these out. Make sure y'all like, follow, and subscribe to the channel, Shoeroom, on all platforms. 3_shoe_room on all platforms. Be sure to look out for this video and future videos. Peace.
Stripes when you beat the body in the studio.